Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If Windows Spotlight is not working on your computer, then watch this video to make it work again. Now the first step we need to do is to make sure that the Windows Spotlight is enabled. For that we need to right click on the start button, click on settings, go to personalization, click on background, and in personalize your background we need to click on the drop down box and we need to click on Windows Spotlight to enable it. Now you see my background has changed, and Windows Spotlight we keep changing this every day, and it does this by picking up stock images from the internet. So now we need to check if it's not working. If I've enabled it and it's still not working, then the next thing we need to do is we need to check if our internet is working or not, and we can do that by right clicking on the browser, and we can enter fast.com or any other website to check the status and the speed of the internet connection. And here we go. So we need a speed of at least 20 megabytes per second and above. If it's below, then you have a problem with your connection and you need to speak to the internet service provider. So this problem in the connection is what's causing Windows Spotlight not to work. Now if that too doesn't work, then what we need to do is we need to disable the metered connection, because probably the metered connection is already to its limit and it's stopping the Windows Spotlight from loading the image onto your system. So how we do that is we right click on start, we look for settings, and we will go on the network and internet tab. Now here we will click on data usage. Now you see I have not entered any limit here, but if you have entered a limit and now the connection after that limit has started metering means it starts limiting your data usage, then you need to remove the limit. You will get a button here, remove limit. You remove the limit, remove, and then the spotlight should start working again. Now the final solution, if all these three options don't work, which is mostly they work, but the final solution in the rare event that doesn't, Windows Spotlight doesn't work again, is we need to sync the date and the time. So for that we need to right click on the start button, go to settings, click on time and language, date and time, and we need to make sure that all these three buttons are on, and we'll click on sync now till we get a tick mark, and that should solve the problem. Windows Spotlight should start working on your computer. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.